Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I'm at Michael's and thought I would just walk around and see what they have. I see they're getting their fall pumpkins and flowers in, which is crazy, but I've heard some stores have Christmas already. But they have some super cute pumpkins of all colors. And they have some haystacks for your front porch fall decor. Then they have like little bitty pumpkins of all colors. They have like leaves, fall leaf garlands. And then here they had like some tins with pumpkins and fall themes on them. I sometimes wonder, like with Michael's and some of these stores, if they just have all this stuff in the back from last year that didn't sell, and they can just bring it out. I like the little pail with the pumpkin face on it, like the little jack-o'-lantern. Super cute. And then there you can get a better look at the fall leaves garland that they have. All different colors. And then this aisle caught my eye because it's kind of like, well, this side is just kind of random with the home decor, but this side seemed kind of fancy. They have like a pink, gold, like Victorian kind of theme going on. I like this pillow. One time, I think I told you guys, I don't remember if I told you guys already, but we drove from Las Vegas to LA, and you go through the desert and you see cactus. It was like the first time I'd seen a cactus, and it didn't look anything like what they look like in pictures, where they have like the three, branches. It was more just like a tree with little like cactus balls or something hanging on it. It was different than what I thought, but it was really cool. And I always liked the vibe of a desert, like the desert vibe. So I usually like things that have cactus on it, or like the desert or Palm Springs. I like that whole thing. So then I thought I'd just walk around, see what they have. Now, when I first started this channel, I used to look for squishies. I used to do toy shopping videos. And I used to always look over here. They used to always have squishies. So I thought I would look to see, and I found like one little random squishy, so it's super cute. But YouTube changed their rules, and they didn't like people to have kid-friendly content because kids under 13 were not supposed to be watching YouTube, apparently. So I changed my videos a little bit to make them older, but I'm kind of a kid at heart, so I kind of still gravitate towards looking at and fun stuff, cute stuff, girly stuff. So I saw these candles, and this one caught my eye, salted pumpkin popcorn, and this one up here, like pumpkin harvest. And I thought they were pretty too, but I really like the popcorn one. It does smell like popcorn, like pumpkin popcorn, and it's kind of a unique scent, I think. And then down here, it looks like they have their 4th of July stuff on sale. So I hope you liked seeing what was new at Michael's. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.